In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shapes the same size in Smartdraw, whether you're organizing a detailed flowchart or creating a neat and tidy diagram. Maintaining uniformity in your design is key. Let's dive into how you can easily make all your shapes the same size using Smartdraw. First, let's start by heading over to Smartdraw. If you haven't already opened the application, make sure to do so now. Smartdraw is a powerful tool that simplifies graphic design and diagramming with its user-friendly interface. If you're unfamiliar with it, don't worry. Following these steps makes size adjustments simple. Now, once you're in SmartDraw, the next step is to open the project you're working on. This could be any diagram or chart where you need to ensure uniformity of shape sizes. Navigate through your files, find the project, and click to open it. Having your project right in front of you will make the following steps easier. With your project open, you need to identify all the shapes you wish to adjust. Click on the first shape and hold down the Shift key, then proceed to select each shape that you want to be the same size. This function allows you to select multiple objects simultaneously, which is a huge time saver, particularly when dealing with large projects. Remember to keep Shift held down until you've selected all the relevant shapes. Here's an important tip. Make sure to select the shape that has the preferred size last. This shape will serve as a template for all the others. The last shape selected is what SmartDraw will use as a reference for sizing the other shapes, so make sure it's the correct size. Once you've got all your desired shapes selected with the last one being your template, head over to the toolbar and click on the Make Same option. This is where the magic happens. You get multiple choices in this menu, allowing you to refine how you want the shapes to match up size-wise. You can choose to make the shapes have the same height, which keeps all your selected shapes uniform vertically but does not alter their width. Or, if the width is what you're concerned with, you can choose to make them all the same width. This keeps consistency horizontally across your design. For the most uniform result, you have the option to make your shapes the same in both dimensions. By clicking on the Both option, SmartDraw will adjust both the height and width, ensuring perfectly uniform shapes throughout your diagram. That's it! You've successfully resized your shapes to be uniform using SmartDraw, enhancing the professional look of your project. This tool really simplifies creating clean, cohesive diagrams, and now you're equipped to use it effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing with SmartDraw.